Divine Collective, someone here could have gotten fired. I've already picked up on this once today, someone getting fired. You've passed a serious test here, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying congratulations. I'm picking up on deception. I'm picking up on layers of deception in the storyline, dirty deeds, manipulation. This is someone who speaks on you frequently and recklessly, Divine Collective, that has gotten fired here because they refuse to stop speaking on you, lying on you, speaking recklessly about you, Divine Collective. This is someone who has been holding a grudge against you from lifetimes ago. There's a Knight of Cups in this reading that I'm picking up on. The Knight of Cups is here. Someone could have stole your feminine products, Divine Collective, such as a pad, a tampon here, TMI, I know, but I'm getting blood magic in this storyline by taking something of yours, such as that, Divine Collective. Blood magic is of significance in this reading. I'm getting someone that's connected to a coven as well. Someone wants to walk away from a coven or walk away from a group of some sort, Divine Collective, in order to be with you. They want to walk away, okay? I'm getting a spiritualist, the High Priestess, and the Hierophant in this reading. There's a huge flow of opportunities. Spirit is telling you to choose the most important to you. Ballistics, the science of the study of projectiles and firearms. Someone is protecting you here, behind the scenes, Divine Collective. I'm getting the protector. Spirit says that some people self-destruct when they no longer have access to your energy. I do feel like someone is self-destructing here because they are blocked from your energy, Divine Collective, but you have the protector here that watches over you. Someone is getting advice from friends, family about you, Divine Collective. This could have been someone you were married to in a past life, or this person could be getting advice from a married person. Spirit says whoever this is that they're getting advice from, they're wise, okay? They're speaking to someone who is wise. Sorry, Divine Collective, I apologize for all the background noise. But again, someone is getting advice here from someone who is married, possibly like an aunt and uncle. However, this is someone who is wise, okay? They're not showing up as toxic or low vibrational. This is someone who's giving wise advice, Spirit is telling me. 1111, divine protection. I'm getting a credit score is of significance. Your credit score. There's a fallen twin flame here. I feel like this is your fallen twin flame, Divine Collective. Someone that is holding a grudge against you from lifetimes ago, okay? But I do feel like this fallen twin flame has been getting some pretty good advice from someone close to them about you, about doing the right thing, Divine Collective. Yeah, an Emperor in the reverse, fallen twin flame. This is someone who is typically very confrontational. I am picking up on some delusion here. This Emperor in the reverse, they may be drinking a lot. They're showing up as not very stable, Divine Collective. You're showing up as career focused here in this reading. Spirit says that you've said something that caused a hit to this person's ego, Divine Collective. Or it may be a hit to this person's ego that they have to reach out to you, Divine Collective. This person projected their own darkness onto you because they feared exposure. That is what Spirit is saying. Love spell gone very wrong. This person was also doing love spells on you. Okay? I heard they went very, very wrong. You are currently overcoming difficulties. You are reaching your goal. This card is impending very good luck in your life, Divine Collective. You avoided total destruction. You're becoming very abundant. And you have an abundant connection coming in here. You have reciprocity in this reading, Divine Collective, okay? An entire illusion held together by silence and pretending. Now they are facing the weight of their actions, okay? So I feel like the relationship with this person was an illusion, Divine Collective. Nothing about this person feels very real to me, okay? An entire illusion held together by silence and pretending. They made the decision to play in your energy, Spirit is telling me, okay? Secret deals under the table, I'm getting. Avoidance, numbing, escaping. Yeah, someone here is drinking a lot. They're numbing themselves, Divine Collective. This is an escapism, Spirit says. Spell work and manipulation, smear campaigns, third party interference I'm picking up on. The enemy is becoming weak, exposed, and unstable. Divine Collective. There could be a celebrity here watching you if you're in the public eye. I'm getting a celebrity that's watching you here, Divine Collective. Okay. Spirit says you haven't even fully tapped into your hidden powers. That is what I'm hearing. They all know now that you know what they did. They're not questioning that any longer, Divine Collective. They're not even acting as if they don't know. Okay, they're like, what I'm saying is they're not pretending to not know. They know that you know what they did. Okay, that was a tongue twister. Your ancestor said to stand down. However, whatever's headed their way, I heard your ancestors say that's what they get. Okay, we have ancestors here. They're saying that's what they get for being mean. I'm getting mean girl energy here. They hated your independence, Divine Collective. These were gossipers. Always gossiping or always a part of the gossip. And now the game is over, Spirit says. There's also a karmic here lying about a pregnancy, Divine Collective. I keep picking up on that in the energy. I keep picking up on a karmic that's pregnant. However, in some storylines, that's a lie. They're saying that they're pregnant, but they're not. Someone's going to act very foolishly here. Spirit is saying a quick-tempered person acts foolishly, okay? A quick-tempered person acts foolishly, so be cautious. If you're listening to me, and place the pieces where they fit. Say it's you who found out someone was lying to you about being pregnant. This is Spirit telling you, do not act foolishly. A quick-tempered person acts foolishly. Something about this feels set up, okay? So don't get so angry that you snap off and hurt somebody here because they were lying about being pregnant, okay? I feel like that's a specific message for someone. Reptilian. Yeah, I'm picking up on a reptilian in this storyline, Divine Collective. Your ex's family is cursed. Spirit says this is a cursed bloodline. A cursed bloodline. Evil eye here. And I'm getting co-workers sending the evil eye. Move wisely. Someone got fired, Divine Collective. I keep hearing they got fired. Continue putting people in their place that won't leave you alone. Divine Collective, your life is a reflection of your thoughts. Think well. They can't block you from your blessings. They need to be fighting their own shadows. Dark magic.